Ooh, here we go. Time to paint this bitch. Final coat. So just, if you notice, it's really light gray. It's even whiter right here, right there, on the other fender as well, because I had clear coat on those guys. So wanted to get under the clear coat. Got under pretty good. Hit a couple spots pretty deep. But that's kind of what I was going for. And I just went back and hand sanded everything. Also used the power sander to hit some of the clear coat on this. Nice and smooth. It's all just dusty right now because I was just about to power wash it, get all this off, but I wanted to get a nice coat, nice quick view of what it looks like pre-washing. You can see it's pretty good and dirty. Yeah, so pre-washing, that's what it's looking like. Then I'm going to use that to wash it. I got a big roll of tape in this. I'm going to give it a shot on the first coat, see if I like it. I've only got 5 or 6 cans. I've only been able to pick up, I think I have 6 cans. So I'm going to do that. I also picked up some of this stuff to do undercoating for under the tire well, so that'll be fun. So yeah, I'm going to do that. And then I have, you guessed it, party tabletops. Put one up there. They're self-adhesing, so I should be able to put one up, one below it. They're 14 feet long, but like 2.5 feet tall, so I got enough to do 2 by 3, and then 3 down there. Yeah, I don't know. I got a bunch of them. Got a whole bag of them. So I'm gonna see if I can't make myself a minor little paint booth of some sort. Might be kind of fun. See how that works out. So paint booth, DIY paint booth. But yeah, right now I'm gonna wash that sucker. Whoo, got it all polished up. Not polished up, just soaked up. Soaked it, washed it all off, sprayed it off. Really good, let it dry for a good 20 minutes. Put soap on it. Let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. Then just kind of washed it off. Looks great. Can't wait to get in the garage. What I'm going to do now is clear all this out and start building my quote-unquote paint room. And then, yeah, I'm going to spray the car off one last time and pull it in here to dry out of the under the tree and wind and bugs and stuff. And then once it dries, I will I'm going to start painting that sucker. Alright, I think I got it cleaned out enough as to where I can start building the paint tent. Huh. Well, that's about 4 there. 4. That's 5. 5 table tents. Woo! Dollar store. Table skirt. Paint booth. $9. $9. Close enough. If I had taken my time and actually put the tape on the bottom and not like 3 inches up on each one of them, if I had to do again, I would definitely do this upside down and on the floor. Yeah, I would definitely do it differently, but I can't believe it's actually holding as well as it is, honestly. That was just the last little piece that was on the end of this one. But yeah, that's 9 of them. Crazy, huh? Alright, I'm not going to rinse it off again. I'm just going to go pull it in here, put some fans on it, see what that looks like. Alright, so we're all dried off out here. Got this looking good. Getting ready, going to tape it all up while it's out here. Did a dry fit. Need to go back a little bit. Pretty much it'll be alright. I think I'll be fine. I'm going to stick my tail out a little bit, make sure I can get the front end good, but yeah, alright, so I'm going to tape it up. I guess we'll see what it looks like after that, huh? Alright, it's all taped up. Sanded down, cleaned off, taped up. Put some paper on the back window here. But for right now, I just want to get it. Then I got all the side stuff and all the good stuff I feel like it's been threatening to rain like all day. So now that I've got all the little detailed stuff on the sides and the front where I don't have a lot of room, now I can drive it. I'm going to put her in here and then put the last piece of paper on the window and then redo the back window, and then that'll be where I meet you in half a second. There it is. She's in there, tucked in nice and sweetly, all taped up, ready to go. Can take a little break and dust this guy off. You can see there's some dirt up there. Dust it off one more time, and then yeah, then it's paint time. Alright, so I just did a quick hit up with just black. Some of the spots that were a little white, over sanded and whatnot. Just give them a little darkness before I start hitting up for real, which I'm going to do now. Yeah, final coat is on, looking good. I think it went on really well from what I can see inside the garage here. Everything went on pretty smooth. Alright, I got 6 cans, which puts my total at, I have no idea, probably 20 more plus 8 more. I don't know, whatever 28 plus 6 is. I can't figure it out. Looks mean like that. Dang, I'll tell you what, got some stripage, trying not to hit it. I'm gonna drive for about 5-10 more minutes. I'm gonna pull it out into the elements. But boom, painted. My little curtains held up well. I doubt they actually did anything. I don't think they did anything. It might just be better for the clear coat as far as dust goes. So a little sad, but at least I tried. All right, but let it dry and pull it out then. Well, there it is, outdoors. See all of its flaws in the sunlight, or lack thereof. Not too bad. It's gonna look real nice. I'm gonna dig on that. Alright. Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah. Man, that looks clean already. Ooh. Looking so clean. So clean. It's gonna be so nice when it gets all dry. I get the clear coat on there. Oh lordy. Oh lordy, it's gonna be nice. Very nice. We'll see. We'll see. Gotta get it sanded and clear coated. But yeah, looks good. Alright, so I'm gonna let this dry a little bit longer. I'm gonna figure out a way to pin this all up here so it's not in my way. It feels like it's gonna start raining, so I'm gonna be ready to pull this car in here any second that I can. I don't want to pull it in because I don't want it stinking up the house. So yeah, but basically that's it. I think I'm going to call this video this because now it's got a couple days of dry, and then I'm going to light sand it and then 2K the hell out of it. So that'll be fun, another video. I guess until then,